Good morning, seventh graders. We only have science one day this week, and then basically we have 3 weeks left of school to go over things. So what we're going to do today is just a day to get caught up in science. Okay, I'm not assigning anything new. And I'll go through what you're going to do, and I just want to make sure everyone understands how to check their stuff in Google Classroom. So our Google Classroom looks like this. And if you are missing something, I have people that are checking their stuff in their email, which doesn't work. And this is why it doesn't work, because you just get an assignment notification. But when you go, here's the stream, of course, you go to Google Classroom, and then you go here to classwork. And here's every single assignment. Now, if you look at something, and it says Monday, April 6th, posted. And it says, good morning, first watch this. Click on it. I have some people that are not doing the Edpuzzle. They're the easiest points you can possibly get. You got to watch it, answer a couple easy questions. And then I always go right in a row. This is what you need to do, then this. Click turn in, thanks, there's everything. So if you are missing anything, you are going to be doing two things today. I will have a Google form, which you will have to fill out your name, what missing assignments you have according to Synergy. Anything that is a 0 or missing is, or a 0 or MI missing, you'll have to tell me. And then if you do any of them, just shoot me and just let me know. Okay. I actually don't have to shoot me an email because I'll get a notification that you turned something in. But this is the thing: is if you look at this like this. Everyone's turned one in. There's none left. That's good. Here's an example of 15 turned in, 8 not. These are going to start getting graded tomorrow, and this is a test grade. So test grades are weighted heavier, so if you don't have it in, and I put that grade in, your grade might drop quite a bit. Now, the good news is you can get it in. So give yourself, if you are behind, give yourself the time to get caught up tomorrow. Okay? And really work on that. Now it should give you ample time. If you have any questions, email me. I will get back to you really quick. So again, classwork, here's everything you need to know. Now I have put a couple things on the stream, but they're just more or less just a little like, hey, Classwork is everything labeled here. You can see Wednesday, April 6th, 8th, 15th, all the way through, and you click here. It'll have, there's Earth Day one. Or here, you just can't go down here and click this. You may have to do an Edpuzzle. You get graded for the Edpuzzles. Okay? So, that's what we're going to be doing today. You are just going to be checking your grades, putting down your missing assignments, and if you have none missing, awesome. Good for you. If you have some missing, please get them done. Okay, let's get those grades up because we're coming down here to about after this week, 3 weeks of school, and with that, there's a final, the same one that you've taken multiple times, that you'll be able to use any of your notes or anything that you want to answer the questions. So other than that, if there are any questions, just email me, please. I get back really fast. Okay. All right. Nice talking with you. See you later.